So this is pretty much me just doing kind of a updated version compared to what I did maybe 2 years ago or so. Hello everyone, I'm Madison. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video. So today in this video I decided to share with you guys how I create and edit my YouTube thumbnails. So this is pretty much me just doing kind of a updated version compared to what I did maybe 2 years ago or so, but I'm here today to share with you guys how I edit them. Also, this is my first video of you guys seeing my new red hair, and yep, I love it so much. If you haven't checked out the vlog that I did last week, go check that out because it'll all make sense once you watch that video. So after you watch that video, come right back here. And yep, that's what's up. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell so that way you won't miss a video, and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. And lastly, comment down below if you have any questions or anything related to this video. Alright, that being said, let's get started. For my thumbnails, I use, well, let me bring that to, I create my thumbnails on my iPhone because it's a lot easier for me. The following apps I use to edit my thumbnails are Remini, Lightroom, Canva, and Photo. And I believe Photo is only for iOS devices, but if you have an Android or a Samsung, you can look up Photo in Google Play or whatever it's called and just look it up on there. Alright, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you all my screen so you all can see what I'm doing. The first thing that I do is I open up the Remini app, and as you all can see that there are a lot of photos in here that I just pretty much took. I pretty much already did this, but I will explain how it works. So what the app does, it basically enhances the photo quality so that way whenever you post a photo on Instagram or YouTube, on Twitter, it will look so much better. So let's just say that the photo is in really good quality and you want to make it a lot more clear, that app will do that for you. I'll show you all a good example of what it looks like before and after. As you all can see, these two photos, that is what the app does for you. Once we're done with Remini, the next app is Lightroom. So here we are in the Lightroom app, and as you all can see, my photo is a lot good quality than it was before. And we want good quality photos. Yeah, that's what we want in our thumbnails. For my thumbnails, I really like to add colors such as Lightroom presence so that way it will stand out more. I basically want my thumbnails to be like what my Instagram feed is. For my thumbnails, I use the Lightroom Rose Gold Presents. So I'm gonna go to Presents, and you all can see all the presents that I have. I use them all for my Instagram feed. And whenever it comes to choosing one, it's very hard depending on the photo, depending on the quality. I either use Rose Gold 12, Rose Gold 5, or Rose Gold 4. And when it comes to choosing a filter, I want to make sure that my skin tone looks natural. It doesn't really look like a filter. It's pretty much like a photo that I want to, like, in other words, I want to make sure that everyone can see the picture. For my Instagram photos, I usually choose Rose Gold 4, Rose Gold 5, or Rose Gold 12. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do Rose Gold 5 because it's a lot more bright and my skin tone is a lot more natural, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna say that in my video like a lot because, well, I don't know. Then after that, all I have to do is click the check mark, then upload it to camera roll, and that's done. next app is Canva. I use Canva on my phone. Like I said earlier, it's a lot easier that way. So today we are obviously going to make a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to click on, well, not click, but tap on a search and tap in YouTube thumbnail. Next, we're going to create a blank page. And I just upload my photos like this. I usually, well, yeah, I do that. So I'll be right back when the photos are imported. Okay, I have my photos successfully imported to the library media or something. Next, I need to choose what I want to put in the thumbnail. I am going to choose what I recently edited, those, well, my nails, and when I got my toes done, the clip. I'm going to basically tap that, and I just usually just do whatever. Well, I wouldn't say just do whatever. I'm going to adjust the size, make sure that it fits the screen. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for my nails. So as you can see, what I'm doing right here is I just basically change up the size and making sure that it fits the whole entire phone. Oh, I don't want that. And tap the add button. And whenever it comes to a image like this, if it's a rectangle, I just usually just cut out the woman's face so that way I won't get in trouble. Then I just size it up a little bit, make it bigger maybe, and just like that. So that's how I pretty much put my pictures in one photo, if that makes any difference or it makes sense. Once I'm done with everything in Canva, last but not least, we are going to go to Photo. Here we are in Photo, the last app in this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the little camera option, then go to photo album, and I'll let y'all know when I choose the photo. Once you have chosen your thumbnail, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my title, aka what the video is about pretty much. Whenever it comes to making thumbnails, I don't want to name it exactly like the title. I just like to use different words, so I'm going to type in then the week with me. Well, here's the correct thing. Weekly vlog. The font I use for my thumbnails is Helvetica Bold Oblique. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it wrong. Don't tag me if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But yeah, so next we're gonna drag it in the middle. And even though that if I put it right here, my face will be covered and I want everyone to see my face. Next we're gonna go into style and tap on stroke. And whenever it comes to choosing a text, I want to make sure that it is big as possible. Next, we're going to go to style, then drag alpha. Well, first, we're going to choose the color first, then it just say underline shadow, so that way it will pop up more. Once I'm happy with everything, next I'm going to click done, and I'm going to make the text larger just like that. And there was a under text below the weekly vlog, and that text said spend the week with me, and I put that in lower cap letters, if that makes sense. I hope so. But yep, I usually just make it smaller a little bit, or I make it big. Well, you can do whatever you want with this. Next, I just go to style, And whenever it comes to text, I change the bottom text. Well, the bottom text is different than the top, so I just choose that text and I just go to style, shadow, choose a black, and I just try to make it pop as big as possible. Then after that, we're done. That is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. If y'all haven't seen my last video, go check that out. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, in 2 weeks, well actually, no, within a week, there will be a special video coming up. Well, I'm not going to spoil it. You guys will see for yourself. And you may expect delays in my videos for the next 2 weeks or so. If you want to know why, there will be a video about that explaining during the week of June 8th or June 6th. Anyways, I love you all so very much. And like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll answer them. But, yep, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!